a matrix P cap and Q cap, right? This matrix is P cap and this matrix Q cap such that P cap dagger is equal to, that is Hermitian, P cap, right? And Q cap is Q Hermitian, that is Q cap dagger is equal to minus Q. That is given in the question. Which one of the following combination of necessarily a Hermitian matrix? So first to find out this P cap Q cap, all dagger is equal to, that is Q cap dagger into P cap dagger. Now Q cap dagger is equal to minus Q, P cap dagger is equal to P. So this is Q Hermitian. We got a negative sign here, right? So this is not true. Now because this is skew Hermitian, we want Hermitian, right? So next this whole dagger is equal to what? Q cap dagger, right, into IP all raised to dagger, right? I dagger is equal to minus I, right? Transpose conjugate we take means I become minus I, then Q cap dagger is again minus Q, right? P cap dagger is P dagger. Then what you get, this minus and this minus cancel. Then I Q cap P cap, right? So that means we not getting P cap Q cap, right? So if I get a I P cap Q cap means it is Hermitian. This is order is changed. Q cap came first, right? All right. So this is not a Hermitian, right? Now let us go to another option. P cap I Q cap, right? Old dagger I am taking. Then what is this? P cap dagger plus I Q cap old dagger. That means Q cap dagger is equal to what? P cap dagger is equal to P is Hermitian, that is P cap. Q cap dagger is equal to minus Q cap. This is skew Hermitian given. So let us substitute this as P cap and this I dagger is minus I, Q cap dagger is minus Q cap. Oh, then this is Hermitian. P cap plus I Q cap. So we got the same. Then if this is C, then C dagger is equal to this C, you get as C. And C dagger is equal to C means what I can write? That is this is Hermitian. So option C is correct, right?